Good afternoon, Ken here with Ultralight, and today I'm going to do a video on the different mounts that we have for lights. This isn't for strobe lights, it's mainly for handheld lights. We make 5 different variations of a light mount that uses a little saddle. So the first one we have is an AC-SPL. This is the only one that we have that has lock line on there. And for this, you can bolt it easily to any kind of bracket, a tray, or you could even bolt it to the top of the handle if you didn't want to use this ball. And these were typically made for the smaller UK lights. It worked great, and I'll show you in just a few on how to actually how to put the light on there. The next one we have is the AC-USLM, which is this one. The saddle on this is basically the same saddle here, but we have the ball mount on it, and we have a strap on there, and then we have 2 inner tube like rubber pieces, which I'll show you in a minute how to use that. This is designed for, like I said, the smaller UK light or this style light. The next one we have is the AC-USL. So on this one and the next one I'm going to show you, we include some really dense foam rubber. There's 2 strips, and if it was needed, because what you would do is you would place these rubber pieces around the light so it sits in here better. But if you have a light like this one, which is a newer style type light, and it's kind of loose, you could actually take this yellow piece off this foam, stick it on here and here. The light will fit in there really good, and you can cinch it down with the strap and you're all set. The same is on this AC-TOSH, T-O-S-H light saddle. This also comes with the foam rubber, and you would do the same thing with the light. The next one we have is the AC-USLXL, which is a very large one. And for this one, I'm not sure what light people are using, but we have sold some like military and industrial commercial type applications, so they must have a very large light. But this fits really well with whatever they're using it on, and there's no need for the foam here. And again, you have these bands with all of these to put them on. And in the next videos, I'll do instructional videos that will be for each individual light. But if you have questions on any of the light mounts, which light might work on which saddle because of the diameter of the light, feel free to give me a call, and I'd be happy to help you. Other than that, happy lighting, and have a great day.